Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Deshaun, back with another video on Model Lifestyle. And today, we're gonna go ahead and get the carbon fiber side skirts put on or installed. And then we're gonna also go ahead and put the front carbon fiber splitter on as well. So this should be a pretty simple job. I did look at a couple videos on YouTube, so shouldn't be too hard. Then that's basically gonna just complete the look that I'm going for with the carbon fiber exterior pieces that I got so far. So as always, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick cold start. And then don't worry about these pieces on the windshield. I don't know if y'all can even see that in the video, but I basically had to take my rear loafer off. Had some issues with it sticking correctly, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt that at a later time. But she real dirty right now, but as y'all can see, I do got the carbon fiber rear diffuser installed. It's looking beautiful, as well as the rear side canals. So she look real sexy. Let me go ahead and pull out, set up, run in the house and get the parts, because they're actually still in my basement. We finally got some nice weather, so definitely about to go ahead and get to it, y'all. I ain't started in like 3 days either. So it don't look like there's no pre-drilled drill holes anywhere. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and make my own holes and everything. So what we're gonna use right now is these basically like anchor bolts. I got these off Amazon. I think for about like maybe 15, maybe 20 bucks. Come with different sizes. Right there. These are screws that came with the front splitter. I guess we're gonna try and use these. And then some 3M tape. This is what actually came with it. I bought some extra pack just in case. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make it do what it do. Let's get to it. Alright, so me personally, y'all, I am gonna go ahead and jack the car up a little bit to give myself a little bit more room. You don't necessarily gotta do this, but that's what I'm gonna do. Give myself a little bit more room to get everything installed properly. All right, y'all, now that we got the car jacked up, first thing I want to do is we're gonna go ahead and put some 3M tape on this. I'm gonna wipe this down real good, put some 3M tape on it so I can get it to stick up there securely while what we're gonna do is go ahead and take these screws off. So, screws, and we're gonna try and go ahead and basically reuse those same holes. So, go ahead and put the 3M tape on here to get it stuck up there and basically try and match up the holes with the holes that I'm going to create on the splitter here. It's a 7mm driver bit. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I'll go ahead and pop these screws off. So before I take them all off, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see if these screws are actually, well, the screws that come with the front splitter are actually longer than this, so that I know it can go up in there and actually take grip and mount it on flesh. And then if that's the case, I might not need the anchor screws that I actually get. So we got all the screws out. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this new, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the front splitter up here. And so we can basically line everything up and just basically screw it back on. So I went on ahead and just propped a couple boxes up there with some bags I had in the garage to kind of keep the bump on each side from hanging in there, because the 3M tape not really sticking long enough for me to get under there and drill in the holes. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and use a drill bit right here to kind of make some holes in the splitter to go in the existing holes that's already in the bumper. box is. I'm gonna do that after we go ahead and get the front of the splitter mounted on. Guys, so here we go. Here's the finished product. So I got all the screws, the original screws, all clamped in, so screwed in. Everything's holding up real flush. I actually ended up not even using these toggle bolts, so hold on to those for another time. Yeah, it looked dope so far. And then it go right to the end of the wheel well too, so it's legit. So it's not a real big gap right there either. It's a little gap, but not real big. Can't even notice it from a distance, so I can always unscrew it and put some more 3M tape or some sticky or Gorilla tape or something, two-sided tape. So I'm gonna pull it out real quick in the sunlight, give y'all one final clip. So as always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and consider subscribing. I definitely appreciate all the support. And y'all definitely stay in tune for the next video.